I might not call this a hip hop choreography, or in that case Bollywood choreography, because it's not neither hip hop neither Bollywood. I'm just doing it. I'm just dancing because I just felt that song to be danced on. So I'm just taking whatever I know and I'm just putting it out in the song. I don't want to claim it a Bollywood or a hip hop Bollywood song. That won't be. It's just a dance. It's just a choreography video. Enjoy it. If you like it, give a thumbs up, give a like, share this video with your friends who wants to learn Bollywood like this kind, like just like full on and a bit of difficult moves with some grooves in it. Maybe you'll enjoy it and they might well. Okay, first thing first, I'll do the step slow, but just that you need to remember my right hand and my left hand. Okay, right, left. So keep that in mind, and the way I move my hands and legs, if you cannot see them, you just need to make them out, because I think the space is small, so I'm trying to do my best here. Okay, so the song, Sauda Khara Khara, that's the song we are doing it on, and let's get started.
Slow it down.
So after the slow it down, the steps starts. So after that slow it down, the step starts. You can do anything in the starting for your beginning part. You can really add much into it. So I don't want to really choreograph the first part and the last part, because I want to leave them blank for you all to figure out what to do. Cool enough? So let's start. So the first thing first. So I'm gonna just show you आज तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी. So goes, the hand goes right hand up, then it goes back. So both of them together. Wash your hand in your face, and after reaching here, you go. Let's do that. Go. After that. So this goes a bit fast, okay, but I'm just showing you very slowly. You watch my legs there, you watch my legs going heel toe walks. Watch again. So it goes up, up, up. So this goes in Aj Tere Sang Yara Akh. That's it. So fast, it looks like this. I'm showing it fast.
Slow it down.
Okay, you got it right. So it's that fast. You need to be bit quick at the last point, because it goes Tere Sang Yara Akh. So it goes something like this. Aj Tere Sang Yara Akh Ladne Lagi.
Slow it down.
Okay, So we move ahead. We go. Do you want to do it slowly once again? Slowly once again. We go whoop, pop, clap. One hand with that. Clap, roll, 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 in, out. Again. Right hand, left hand. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4. So your hand goes. ठीक है, यहाँ से this hand goes down, your right goes down, left goes up, and then just make a circle. Circle, close, up, close, up, close, up. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Good. You move ahead. Now this time.
Slow it down.
So we move ahead with अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी. Finish here. Finish here. 1, 2. Then we go 1, like throw, and your hands on your eye, and then like this or like this. Your choice. Like this or like this. You can choose one of the hands, this or behind. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Again. Good. Then we go down, up, 3, 4. From the start, we do Aj Tere Sangi Yara Akh Ladne Lagi. Akh lad lad ke. Okay. Akh lad lad ke. Again. Akh lad lad ke. So take it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Akh lad lad ke. Did you get that? Right? Slow and steady. From this, so we'll do it from the top till Akh Lad Ladke. On down. I'll sing the song if you can hear me. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. एक तेरे संग यारा आँख लड़ने लगी आँख लड़ लड़ के. So I hope you got that thing right. We'll move on. Lad Ladke. Should I show you on music? I'll show it to you on music.
Slow it down.
I hope you got that. Yeah. We'll do it once more. Let's do it.
Slow it down.
Okay. So move ahead. Okay, we move ahead, and आगे we do अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी. So finish here, go back, finish here, then you just go आगे with your body ahead like this. Okay, this is your position. This is your position. So you go like that, and then just go pop your shoulders back. So you have to move back. Move back. Okay? Move back. So, cha, 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 cha. Leg straight. So you go like that, and then leg straight. Like this, and right leg straight. So put your right leg aage. Right leg. Okay? Right hand goes back, left hand goes behind to do the move, and then your right hand goes bend down. Okay? So everything is right. So let's do it from the top. एक तेरे संग यारा आँख लड़ने लगी, आँख लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी. एक तेरे संग यारा आँख लड़ने लगी, आँख लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी. Can you fix this? I think you must be having disturbance because of the fan. Let me check out without the fan. Okay. So we go. एक तेरे संग यारा आँख लड़ने लगी, आँख लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी. Cool? Do it on the music.
Slow it down. तेरे संग यारा आँख लड़ने लगी, आँख लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी. ओ मुंडा सिद्धे अड़ा.
Okay. So I think you've got it till here. We move ahead. Now this is an edit. This is an edit from someone else's dance video. But I like the edit, so I just took it. We'll move ahead. Just let me listen to the song. We're gonna do it from. So we go. Oh munda zid pe ada. Okay. So for that, you do. Last step was puff, tap, tap. Okay, from here you kick your right out, just like the locking step. Okay, but puff, you have to take your left leg aage to do that move. So wherever your right leg is, you have to take your, see this. So you have to take your left leg over here and then kick your right leg out, basically like a old school step. Hand goes. So बढ़ने लगी ओ मुंडा पीछे. Okay, so ओ मुंडा पीछे. Just an old school locking step. Screw box, I think, the start of the screw box. So you go kick. Watch my hand. Goes goes So ओ मुंडा पीछे बड़ा. So we go ओ मुंडा पीछे बड़ा. So you do a screw box, up, a running man. Now you take your right leg and put it behind your left and then turn around. So your right leg goes behind your left leg and then you just turn around the other side. So cha, right leg behind, cha. Now you take your right leg above and then jump back to your position. So it goes puff, 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 puff. hands as such. The hands will go only for this, this and this. This, this. Then there is a around the world step. This, 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 this. Now when you land here, just try to come here. Okay? So it goes O munda piche pada pa. Okay? O munda piche pada pa. Now one more thing that you have to remember is the step is fast. So you'll have to do it a bit fast than what I'm showing you right now. So try to cope up with it, okay? Just don't try to mess. Up, up. Make sure you jump like that, just like the way you do a running man. Make sure you jump properly. So you go up, 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 up. Sorry, here, not here, here. Again, 5, 6, 7. Oh munda piche pada, cha, cha, cha. So you know the old school groove, right? Pop, pop. So pop, pop, pop. Okay? Oh munda piche pada, cha, cha, cha. Okay. So we move ahead. Oh munda piche pada, cha, cha, cha. Then he says something like, I don't know. Wait. Okay, so he says, O munda zid pe ada tere piche pada. So first part we do O munda zid pe ada, cha cha cha. Now O tere piche. Now piche goes like this. You know this step, right? So as soon as you finish 1, 2, 3, your hand is here, leg is here. As soon as you keep this down, make sure your leg goes out and your hand also goes out. So this, 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 this. So, O munda zid pe ada pa cha cha cha. O tere, all got it? O tere piche, piche pada. Once again, O tere, back, back, together, out. Again, up, back, back, together, out. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he says, O munda zid pe ada, O tere piche pada. O munda. So he repeats that part again. So what we do is, we do O munda zid pe ada, cha, pa, pa, pa. O tere piche pada, pa, cha, cha, cha. You know this, right? Yeah. So we do that. Pa, pa, pa. Then we repeat the entire patch again, the same patch that we did right now, just from the previous one, from the this. So we do. I'll show you from the starting. O banda zid pe ada, cha cha cha. Tere piche pada, cha cha cha. O banda zid pe ada, tere piche pada. Again, slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. O banda zid pe ada, cha cha. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. O banda zid pe ada, cha pa pa pa. Tere piche pada, pa pa pa. O banda zid pe ada, tere piche pada. I hope you're getting it. You're getting the step. Now this step is just going back, back, back. So you know Steve Martin, right? Steve Martin. It's just that step. Going this, Steve Martin. Okay, but the only thing is we do Steve Martin for 2 counts and then we join our legs. So we go up, Steve Martin together and out. Now, so we move ahead. We finish here. Second time, where we do pop, 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 pop. After this, after we do it the second time, we go Bart Simpson. Okay, just a simple Bart Simpson. 1, 2. Now, as soon as you finish, 1, 2. So again, you come this side. You don't just do pop, pop. Okay, pop, pop. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pop, pop. Because I think the lyric goes something like. So tere naal kar le zara. So we go tere naal kar. Okay, we can do this. So let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tere naal kar le. So now when you do kar le, make sure you go like a proper Bollywood wave, not like hip hop. So we go pop, 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 pop. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tere naal kar le. So you come here, okay? Basically you come here. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tere naal kar le. Now watch carefully. 1, 2. Okay? So you go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Up, out, fold and up, and then again up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay, get that. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, out, open, up. Again. Out, up, out, open, up. Yeah. Up, next. Up, out, open, up. Now, as soon as you do that, up, out, open, up, and then drop down. So just drop down. So you go da 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 da, pop, 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 drop, and slowly get up. Now, when you slowly get up, there is one certain beat that I want you all to catch. You all can do anything on that. It's just like a water drop sound. You can use that for your advantage. Use it to kill the beat. Think about something, just a pose or some move which can be done in like that, like a freeze or something, one spin or something, like, you know, which feels like a water drop. I hope you all understood that. If not, let's see. If not, you all can definitely ask me how to do it. You all can pause the video. Oh fuck, sorry. So you all can pause the video, you all can reverse it, you all can slow it down, and you all can see how the step goes. It's very easy. I might not call this a hip hop choreography, or in that case Bollywood choreography, because it's not neither hip hop neither Bollywood. I'm just doing it. I'm just dancing because I just felt that song to be danced on. So I'm just taking whatever I know and I'm just putting it out in the song. I don't want to claim it a Bollywood or a hip hop Bollywood song. That won't be. It's just a dance. It's just a choreography video. Enjoy it. If you like it, give a thumbs up, give a like, share this video with your friends who wants to learn Bollywood like this kind, like, you know, just like full on and a bit of difficult moves with some grooves in it. Maybe you'll enjoy it and they might well. So just make sure you share the video, like the video, subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'll just keep posting new contents here on my YouTube channel. Either it might be a choreography on a Bollywood song or a Hindi song or a English song or a hip hop choreography or a breaking choreography or some knowledge drops on hip hop, on dance, on freestyle. So our major focus would be how we freestyle and how we take all our steps and grooves into our freestyle. So that's what I'm planning to do. That's it. बहुत बोल लिया यार. Okay, so I hope you like the video. Like, share and subscribe. Till then, enjoy the dance. Yeah. Whew. Okay, now just one thing. So after this, he talks about some lyrics which I have not choreographed. I want you to just freestyle. Okay? On this. Okay, so we'll just do that. We'll just try to choreograph that piece. Okay, let's do it. So Dil Dena Dil Lena, that is freestyle. All freestyle, you can do whatever you want. On that, you go, watch, left, right, left, kick. Your hand goes da da pa pa. Once again, da da pa pa. Right, left, and take it in afterwards. So you go. Once again, in slow motion it goes. Oh, sorry. Da 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 da. Again. Da 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 da. Slow. Da 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 da. Right, left, up. Don't take this up, just go up. Don't do this. Just go up. Okay, again. Da 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 da. Right, left, up. Watch the step in action. This is fun. Watch. So the last part, Sauda Khara Khara part, I have not done it. I have left it on y'all. How y'all want to do a basic, simple, a simple hookup step that y'all want to do, or y'all want to make something hardcore on that particular beat. That depends on you. As you know that I don't really complete my pieces. I make sure that I keep it for my students. I make sure that it doesn't look like me on the floor all the time. I also want my students to do what they love. So I just want y'all to choreograph the last piece of it. Whatever you feel, either it can be a hook step, either it can be a block, like a difficult block, either it can be a style, or either it can be just a freestyle on whatever you feel like doing it, And that's the choreography. Let's do it from the beginning till the end, till here. Okay? So, there it goes.
Yeah.
Slow it down.
ओ एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी, अख लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी। ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा, ओ तेरे पीछे पड़ा। ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा, तेरे पीछे पड़ा। मेरे नाल कर ले जरा। दिल देना दिल लेना, दिल देना दिल लेना। है सौदा, है सौदा करा करा, है सौदा करा करा, है सौदा करा करा, है सौदा करा।
Okay, so that was the choreography for y'all, guys. I'm so tired, I cannot talk. Just hold on. Okay, so that was the choreography for you all. Hope you all enjoyed. As usual, if you like it, share it, subscribe the channel, share it with your friends who wants to learn this kind of styles or this kind of dance. I have just made this video to teach some of my students whom I've been teaching since last year, but I thought about putting it up on YouTube. I don't know why. Maybe because of the subscribers. You all have given me a lot of love. I've been getting messages on my Instagram and on my YouTube channel as well. So thank you very much, everyone. Keep sharing, be safe, and keep safe distance. Okay, just kidding, man. Okay, have fun. Bye bye. Take care. See ya.